Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's get started. First, we need a SIM ejection tool. You can find this one on the retail box. Now, when holding your Galaxy S25 Ultra like this, at the bottom right side, you will find the SIM tray outline and a hole within it. Not this one, this is the one. Next, take the SIM ejection tool and insert it into the hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. Gently put it out. This is the SIM tray. On the top, you can insert SIM 1 and on the back side, you can insert the second SIM card. If you are planning to add two SIM cards, then start with the second SIM card. SIM 1 will fall off when you rotate the SIM tray. Let's begin with the second SIM card. SIM 2 is written here. Now take the SIM 2 and place it here like this. Make sure the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Now rotate the SIM tray. As you see, SIM 2 does not fall off when you rotate the tray. Take the SIM 1 and place it here in this slot. Contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this. SIM 1 is at the top. Insert it into the phone carefully, gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. Within a few seconds, it will detect the SIM card and redirect you to the SIM card manager page. Here, you can set the default SIM preference for calls, messages and mobile data. So guys, that is in this particular video on how to insert the SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.